Yo, what's up, Oculus gang? Let's go over the recap from Friday and Monday on how we caught these massive 300 to 700% overall 1000% day bangers. So let's get into it. So on Friday or last week, I was saying, look at all these bearish profiles for him. So this was before Trump, right? This was before Trump. We were getting all these profiles back to back to back down here. And so that caused a ginormous jump after election. And then the week after that, everyone's like super FOMO and like, oh my gosh, Trump rally is crazy. And I was like, wait a second. We're getting the same exact thing we got down here before election after here. And it's probably going to do the exact opposite now. It's going to cause a huge move. And it ended up doing that on Friday. We caught insane NVIDIA and SPY trades for big gains. So let's go over today, Monday, setup. So we got we have this profile from Friday. We use sort of let's do a replay to see like how we moved, so you guys can get a better visual on how this works. So we got this bullish profile at Friday close, and here we are opening now, and you use these two volumes levels, which is 498.30 was the low value in the blue here I gave this morning for that first trade. It was very early, and then we ended up rejecting. You see, we rejected this level and we rejected this low value area, and we came down, reacted off of the Friday bullish pulk, and as soon as we cleared 497.70, I was like, yeah, we're about to fucking blast. And we ended up blasting back up to the level, and once we cleared it, we just absolutely took off. And so here you would target up here. You would target this, which is 501, 502. That's what I was saying this morning. I was like, there's no bear setup like at all showing, besides if we like broke down super fast below the pulk, which we didn't. I was like, there's no way, like we have to pump. And we ended up pumping huge, and that was into 501, and I think we went up even further. And we started creating a bear profile here. You see the pulks forming, all the volumes at the top, and we broke it up a little bit, and I think we'd start dropping in the close. You see, you would use these volumes here, and you would target down into like 499 something. But we were already done. There's no reason to trade when you're giving that such big of a jump. See, look, we're dropping off of here. So I want to look at the NASDAQ. Let's see. Hold on. Let's look at the NAS. All right, let's look at the 10-minute because that's better. It's more, you can see. So we're getting bullish profiles back to back nights. So this is the start of tonight. That was last night, and yeah. So I think we're about to get the same exact situation we had today, where we may dip, but you want to buy it. But I think with QQQ, the main part you don't want to miss is, let's go back to QQQ, because look, we can go up into, see how we have these over here from November 6th. That was like 3 days after the election, or a day after. And we're reacting off of levels since October. Over here, we're creating new levels too. And you don't you don't want to be bear until like we're below these levels, because then that would mean we go to like 491 or even 485. The main area you would want to be bear is 491 to 485. You're not really missing much from 496 to 491. I mean, that's a good move, but we'll be able to tell once below 495-ish or 4-ish would catch a $3 and $4 move. But we're not worried about that yet. We're worried about these back-to-back bullish profiles are now forming back-to-back Friday and Monday. So we can target up into 502, which we already saw today. The main move would be 502 to 505, 507. And if we get above 507, like, we totally blast off to like over 510. And so yeah, that's my weekly levels this week. And so it's 502 to 507, 510, and below 495, 494, you would see 491 or a trip to 485. Depends with NVIDIA earnings Wednesday. But yeah, these back-to-back bullish profiles forming the past couple days on NASDAQ and QQQ. Yeah, see here, 502 to 505 would be the play. That would print us so much. So I hope you guys get a better understanding on these volume profiles, and just be disciplined, man. Like, we're gonna grow the next couple months. Like, it's gonna be a steady growth. If you just trade and then walk away, you don't have to keep trading. We're just gonna keep making profits, guys. Come on, let's do this. All right, I'll see you all tomorrow.